Ang payat ko. So, ito guys, nagluluto po tayo. Nagluluto tayo ng kanin. White rice and brown rice. At saka nagluluto tayo ng nuggets. So, magmamaluto tayo namin chicken wing.
Good soup The chicken soup. One
Sir
can
Silong say he want to eat the chicken wing.
chicken wing.
I do this one.
Okay.
And
And
also he
yeah.
wants to eat this one. He don't want buy.
The curry one don't so spicy. Go veggie me.
Yeah, this one he eat.
I fry with the garlic.
He say he do. If I not cook brown rice, he will go back. I say I cook brown rice. So I cook brown rice.
Cook.
And then I cook it. He say
Never mind, I can eat also.
no. I cook white and
Okay.
because this one pure brown, then you cannot eat.
Okay,
You
no.
can eat them.
Can. But I don't like only.
Yeah, I cook another one. This one.
I like the bread is kaya one. Kaya.
Say if I know cook brown rice, no eat.
Good soup Good soup.
Oh, I think he
Chicken soup. Don't know. We don't want. We 2 kilo.
Oh, you want that I do?
We 2 kilo.
Oh, I need you like water, like red light. Boom, let's go back to the room so we can feel it back so you can make it the best.
Oh, meron akong guest, di ba? Meron akong guest. Wala, ang tummy ko, ang laki.
2 months pregnant, guys. 2 months pregnant. Exercise time. Uy, dito pwede tayo mag-exercise sa kusina. Alam niyo ba? Oo, di ba? Oo. Ganyan lang, count until 10. Araw-araw gawin. Para lumaki ang lubot. La 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 la. Ako ang babae, pag minamahal, may personal, pag ayaw. O yung hair ko, o yan. Extension hair. Yung break ko, hindi ko na ubos. Kumain. La 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 la.